My name is Jenny, and I've been a professional calligrapher for nearly 10 years. I've taught thousands of students to return to the simple joy of ink and paper and learn this stunning art form. In 2019, I launched the Calligraphy Box, a subscription box that provides everything you need to learn and easily practice calligraphy every month. And there's an engaging and supportive online community app too. I teach in a relaxing and calming way through video lessons, detailed examples, practice sheet bundles, and our boxes include a new colourful calligraphy ink every month. We have shipped over 18,000 boxes to our amazing community. Come join us, unwind and unplug with calligraphy. It's a relaxing and mindful hobby for a digital world.